So I bought Gabi DeMartino's spin care system. I'm going to use it today and I'm going to try it and test it and see what I think about it. It's by the brand Duval, is that how it's pronounced? I thought it was very interesting because it's got like many different heads. It's more than just for your face. You can also use it for your body and your legs and things like that. So this ought to be interesting. I have been wanting a spin brush or like something like that for my face for years, and I've never bought one until Gabi was promoting the one that she bought. What sold me was that she had it for 75% off, and I was like, if it's good for Gabi DeMartino, it's good for me. And I got it for so cheap because it was originally like $140 and I got it for about $40. It was a steal. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take off all my makeup. As you can see, I'm like wearing loads. Foundation, eyeliner, mascara, eyebrows, lipstick, you name it. Highlighter too, I forgot. Yeah, so I got a lot of makeup on, so this is gonna be the real test. I'm gonna use a makeup wipe, you know, Neutrogena, the only kind I'll use. Here I go. It might take me 2. It usually does. Look, there's a difference. Oh my gosh. It's like red. I don't know, red and not red. I never feel like I get enough of my makeup off with a makeup wipe. And that's what Gabi DeMartino always says too. She always feels like a makeup wipe isn't enough and that she needs to also wash her face, which is very true. It's necessary, especially if you're wearing like a significant amount of makeup. There's already so much. And I get it into my hairline too, like my foundation. So here we go. I definitely need the exfoliation that this spin brush is going to give me. It's been a dire need recently with all the sweating I've been doing, so my like forehead has been breaking out. My forehead's where I get the most oily, and then like my cheeks are always really dry. Sometimes my nose might get a little oily too. Okay, now for the eyes. This eyeliner comes off like glue, like pulls off. Ew, you see that? Ew. It's like stuck in my eye, this eyeliner. What the heck? It pulls out my eyelashes too. I don't like that. Recently, I've been using vitamin E oil like on my eyelids and my eyelashes and a little bit right here and right here, because the lady at Ulta said it helps with growth. I know it helps with healing scars. I have it right here. Here it is. This is what I've been using. I don't know if it's been helping, honestly. I think I just spilled it a little bit. That's not good, because it's very greasy. I don't know if it's been working because I've just started doing it, but vitamin E oil is supposed to be like the bomb.com for healing and hair growth and skin. But when I've been putting it right here on my eyebrows, it's been making my forehead break out more, so it's a win-lose kind of situation. Also recently started taking hair, skin, and nail vitamins to see if that'll help with where I lack. This is gonna take forever and a day. See what I mean? It comes off like glue. It's disgusting. One more for good measure to get what I probably missed. And I didn't even get my mouth, so I hate this part. I hate this part because I always taste the stuff on the wipes afterwards. Ow. That hurt. About ripped my earring out. What is going on?
What is going on here?
I hate that this eyeliner does this. Why is it like that? I know it's tattoo or whatever, and it's like supposed to stay on better, which it doesn't. Oof. Okay, I'm done, finally. I also love that this is wireless. Oh my gosh. Watch it not come with batteries or whatever. And then I'd be screwed. Ooh, look at all the different heads. It comes with 5 advanced cleansing brushes. I feel like Gabi DeMartino already. I love her, by the way. She is one of my favorite YouTubers and I watch her the most often. It tells you what everything does. There's a cleansing brush, an exfoliation brush, a pumice stone. Is that how it's pronounced? I don't know. A crude polish accessory. Oh. Body brush. So for your like body, obviously, and your legs. Like I feel like I would just use it on my legs. Maybe like I would like to do it on my upper back, but I couldn't. I'd have to get someone to do that for me. And then there's a charger, which is called the base unit. It tells you how long to like clean each part of your face. I'm praying that this has like, or that it's charged so that I can use it right away, because that was like the plan. There's the body brush. It looks like there's 2 cleansing brushes unless I'm dumb. Oh, one is the cleansing and one is the exfoliation, but I don't know the difference. They feel and look the same. I think the wider one is the cleansing and then the clear one is the exfoliation. Here's the crude polish accessory and here's the pumice stone. Here is the thingy. This is like very sleek and cute looking. I really like this. It says Duval. I don't know what the buttons do. It has 2 buttons on it. Here's the base. This is awesome. I don't even have to deal with any cords or anything. This is great. Here it is. It appears that it does need batteries because it does not do anything when I press these buttons, but I don't know where the batteries go or what kind it takes. Back to the directions so I can figure this out. Yep, definitely takes batteries. It takes 4 AA batteries. Okay, I was able to get some batteries. I got some batteries from the gas station. And you know how much these batteries were? This pack of batteries? It was $9.30. It was highway robbery. It's working. Okay, I'm gonna put my hair up really quick. It's a hot mess. That's cute. Cute lumps. Okay, it says to wet my face first. I'm gonna attach this. I'm trying to figure out what the different buttons do. There's 2 buttons. Oh, it's speed. The top button does the speed. There's only 2 speed settings. I'm gonna wet my face now, finally. You're not gonna see me wet my face because my sink is behind my camera and there's no way I can like set the camera up to where you can see me at the sink. Okay, now my face is all wet. I used warmish to like hot water to like open up my pores. So now I'm going to get my spin brush out. I'm going to wet it with warmish hot water, and I'm gonna take my face wash, which is my Curology, and put a little dot on it like so. I really want to try the face wash and moisturizer that Gabi DeMartino uses, but I think I'll do that once I run out of my Curology. This feels so nice. It's like having a massage. Is it setting up? This soap doesn't really set up. That's what bothers me because I don't know if it's actually getting everywhere. I love this. Where has this been all my life? I'm gonna rinse it off because it's got like makeup all over it now. I'm gonna add a little more soap to it too. Ooh, oh, it just splashed me in the eye. I'm doing the face though. the makeup face. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this feels really nice and I feel like I'm actually cleaning my skin. Whenever I like wash my face with just my hands, I don't feel like I'm doing anything. But this is really like exfoliating. My face is gonna feel so smooth after this. I'm gonna rinse off my face now. Okay, I just rinsed my face off, so now I'm gonna dry it. And I'm gonna just pat as to like not pull down my skin and everything. Sometimes I have a bad habit of like pulling my skin down and I know that's not good. And I know I'm probably not the only one who does it either. Pat, pat, pat. I think this spin brush is really gonna do wonders on my cheeks, especially because I have these, what do you call it, like calcifications on my cheek, like these tiny white dots. I don't know if you can see them on camera, but I have these tiny white dots on my cheeks that I can't get rid of, and I think this is really gonna help. My cheeks already feel smoother. I don't feel as like bumpy, and it's not something you could see like far away. Like you'd only be able to see them up close, or if like I pointed out to you. It's not really significant, but I know they're there, so I like focus on them. My mascara is smearing. Now I'm gonna put on my moisturizer. I'm gonna put on my Curology moisturizer, of course, because that's all that I have. I usually pump it like 3 times. I have a skincare routine video from this summer, and these are the same bottles of Curology that I used in that video. But like I said, I think I'm gonna try Gabi DeMartino's stuff once I run out of my Curology. And I guess this is gonna be my new skin routine because I finally have something to actually like wash my face with other than my hands. My hands don't really do the job. Now I'm gonna put on my super bottle stuff from Curology. That's like the prescribed stuff. They call it the super bottle. I guess it's just because it's the prescribed formula for your skin that they give you. I think the face wash and the moisturizer by Curology is like generic in that they give the same stuff to everybody, but the secret is supposed to be in this super bottle. So, and I usually do like 2 pumps of that, or a pump and a half. Honestly, I haven't seen much of a difference using this Curology now that I've been using it a lot longer, but it might make more of a difference now that I'm using a spin brush that's like actually getting into my skin. Okay, now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna try to use the body brush. Clicks right in. Boop. Okay, it says that you can use this body brush on your legs, your hands, and your feet. There's no way this doesn't feel good, so I didn't put soap or anything on it, but in the future I might like put body wash or something on it. Ooh, this feels really nice, I'm not gonna lie. It feels nice to get the top of my toes too. I'm getting the side of my foot as well. I'm not gonna do the bottom of my feet right now because I don't want to get this too dirty. This feels so nice. Now I'm gonna try the pumice stone. It says you can use it on your elbows and on the bottom of your feet. Never use it on your face. That's what it says. In like caps, all caps. Here we go. Oh my gosh. That's interesting. It's like shedding the skin off of my elbow. It didn't say anywhere like to get the stone wet. I probably would have to rinse my elbow off or put lotion on afterwards. Ooh. I guess it's like exfoliating the thick, rough skin. No, let me try the bottom of my foot. Ugh. Feels better than a pedicure. I really dig it a lot. I like this a lot. Like, the things that they use at the salon for pedicures always like either hurt or they make me like too ticklish, so I can't stand it, but this feels really nice. Last but not least, I'm gonna use this crude polish accessory. I don't know why it's called an accessory, but this is for your nails. My foot made the toilet so dirty. Now this crude polish accessory says that it is gentle yet effective, and then it gets rid of jagged edges on your nails. I guess you use it on the edge of your nail. I do have a jagged edge right there. I don't know if I'm doing this right. I could do like this. Interesting. I like it. Overall, I give this whole like spin care system, oh my gosh, My hair is crazy. I give this whole spin care system like a 10 out of 10. I really love it. It's mainly because I've never had one before, so like anything's great to me, but this is amazing. I think it's very interesting and unique that they have so many different heads. You don't see that very often, at least I haven't. And the pack, or like the pamphlet or instruction manual, gives you all kinds of information on like how to use it and how to clean the heads and how to even like clean your face with it. Like it tells you what directions to like go, like for your forehead it says along the eyebrows to the temple from bottom to top, and it shows you like pictures with arrows and like directions to go. It tells you what not to use to clean the stuff. Like they didn't miss a beat. Like everything's in here. I love that it's cordless and I don't have to worry about a cord or charging it, because you know charging is like kind of a double-edged sword. It's a convenience. I don't know, it's nice, but at the same time you can ruin your battery and then never be able to replace it. So go out and buy this. Go to Gabi DeMartino's. I think it's her night fall routine. Go to that video and go in the description and use her discount code and you'll literally get 75% off on this. That had me shook because I watched my total go from like $147 to $40.05. The only thing is it makes you pay for shipping, which is only like $3 or a little over $3, so it's totally worth it. So I would check it out. But anyways, thanks for watching. I hope this was beneficial. I hope you go out and get this because it's great. Well, not go out and get this, you know what I mean. Order it online. See you guys in my next video. My next video is going to be a Halloween special, so stay tuned for that. Please like and subscribe. Bye.